This is the Logitech MK540. It's a mouse and keyboard combination. It goes for $49.99 on Amazon. And this bad boy here is beautiful for a lot of different reasons. For one, when I first started using FL, the only keyboard I had was the keyboard that came with the computer, which led me to always using this in my workflow. It's very comfortable. All I have to do is just press my keys and it'll play my sound. But you can also disable that and enable a function where you can use the short keys and you can move back and forth between the session and doing different functions a lot faster and quicker. I leave it on this one because it's just more comfortable and most familiar with me. So with that being said, I encourage any and everybody, even if you don't do anything artistic, it's just convenient to have because it's wireless. You can walk around throughout your house, throughout different places,